got off the back half of the course, lining himself up to the bonus line. They did call 2 minutes about a minute to go. So if he runs out of time, then they get a few more points around it. Energized racing. Headed down simulator, pick up the boys. Boys, a bit of Mumbai has a boat line. Track themselves off that rock, off the backwards, no problems for them. Okay, at the moment there's action aplenty. Team Western boys on the opposite rock garden. Struggling in the very tight section of course there. Back over the DP Chip Devils Marbles. Team Overkill and the green TJ. Pulling some wild angle. On the Snake Racing frame twister. It's all happening over there as well. Make sure he goes into the guys from Snake Racing in the tent. Lots of gear, lots of very, very cool merchandise. Ryan and the boys over there, I'll be happy to say good day. That's always a question. While you're down here purchasing your Snake Racing merchandise, you can knock into the tent next door and get some official Tuff Truck 2011 merchandise. Whole heap of gear down there, Rick. Singlets, t-shirts, hoodies, lanyards, stubby holders, stuff for the kids. Get the gear while it's available. We ought to get down there, mate. Be sure the hoodie for tonight. It's going to be chilly down there at the moment. We're going to be down there right until the looking style. The boys are making good progress. The Ross Garden comes around for their second loop. Right, please, right out, take the bonus.